Thank you all for joining me again. I'm going to do a quick keto charcuterie board for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, depending on how you're celebrating. We're going to bake our swerve cake. It's truly thebomb.com. Really easy to make, and I did use some heart-shaped molds. I will suggest you use silicone ones as well. They were a little hard to get out of here, and you're going to see me chop up some strawberries and macerate them with allulose. I just wanted you to see that you can still enjoy sweets on the ketogenic diet, or if you're low carb or even paleo, there are some really good desserts out there. Now, when I place the cakes on the board, you'll note that I have already eaten all the strawberries because that's how good they were. I had a couple of cakes prior to filming and I ran out of strawberries, but please feel free to add any fruit or nuts to your board as you desire. And so I substituted my strawberries with a few sprinkles. You can buy keto sprinkles. I believe they're by Stoka brand. I don't know how good they are, and I've heard that they're rather expensive, as most things on keto are expensive. So I just substituted my strawberries that I ate with a little bit of sprinkles. It's just a sweet treat. It's not going to kick me out of ketosis. And definitely self-care is important. So if you want something sweet, have something sweet, but also maintain your diet at the same time. And that's why I'm doing this board for you all. I will list the items I placed on here down below in the description box and add any links available so that you can order them for yourselves as well. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Fluttering Through. Bye.